Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen and welcome if this is your first time stopping by. So first things first, I just want to let you guys know that I did get balayage in my hair. I've never colored my hair, so it was a long process today. But that is why it looks different. So if you guys were wondering, yeah. And my hairdresser curled my hair and everything, but if you guys like it, let me know. I think it's really, really pretty. I like that. I wanted to keep like the golden tones, but I think I really love how it like just kind of lightens my face. I feel like it just kind of lightens the whole shebang. So let me know what you guys think. But today's video is not about my hair. It is about my first unboxing video on this channel for FabFitFun. Now, I know you guys are going to be like, well, you were on a spending freeze, duh. I am. However, FabFitFun is something I started to pay for last year when I got the winter box. So I already paid for the entire year from that point. So this was already paid for. Loophole. Anyway, so I really have been enjoying getting my FabFitFun boxes. They're really, really great products. The value for what you pay like $49, I think. I can give you guys a discount code down below for, I believe it's $10 off your first box, so it'll only be $39.99. But the box value is way over $250 when you're only spending $50. So I will prove that to you guys today because they do tell you all of the values of the items that you got. But unfortunately, the one thing I don't like as much is it's not really as much of a surprise as it used to be in the past. Nowadays, they do let you customize your box. So you actually already know the majority of the products that you are getting. So it's a little but it also kind of saves you from getting something you're not going to use. So everything in this box that I did pick out, I do know I will use. And I did get one extra add-on with this box and I really, really wanted it and I'm using it today on my face. So you guys will see that very soon. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So first of all, let's just talk about how beautiful this box is. It's bright yellow, FabFitFun, and has beautiful butterflies all over the place. Every box they do sponsor, or not sponsor, they support a charity, and for this one it is Dress for Success. I can't remember what the winter one was, but it does change. So this box is absolutely stunning. I love keeping these boxes just because they are so beautiful, but the outside is not what matters, it's what's on the inside that counts, right? So I also wanted to show you guys the inside of the box. You get this bright pink butterfly and flower pattern. Again, absolutely stunning. They do not skimp out on the boxes. They make sure that they're just as pretty as they are from every angle. Now I do really quickly want to share with you guys the one add-on I got first, but I want to show you really quickly how we're going to determine the prices of the items. So each box comes with a little magazine. On the cover of this one, it's Gina Rodriguez from Jane the Virgin. And in here, there are some articles, but inside it does show you the different items that could potentially be in your box and then the value of those items. So when I tell you how much something costs, I will be referring to this little magazine. They also provide you usually with some kind of coupon that they partner with. So this is for HelloFresh. I have used HelloFresh in the past. I actually prefer Home Chef. Home Chef is, I like their meals better. But HelloFresh was really good too. It's just a lot of extra work for me. And then it also gives you a Crooked Teeth Bite Me coupon code. So yeah, these are the things that come in the box. Now the one item that was an add-on is the Tartist Pro Glow palette. Now this is not a new palette. It has been around for quite some time, but I have never bought it before. But so many YouTubers who were gifted the item raved about this palette, and I've never really cared about contouring all that much, but when you get a good deal on something and you get it on sale, because that is something that they do, they partnered with brands and they discount the products that are your add-ons, it's worth it. So this palette is normally $45 and I believe I got this for $29. So when you open it, it has a really sturdy magnetic closure. There are mirrors on both sides, and then in the center you get 4 highlighters, a cream bronzer or cream contour, and then a powder contour. So I used that today. Love it so far. We'll keep using it and you guys will get an update. But I wanted to quickly mention that because this is one of the items that will not be in your box unless you actually chose to add it onto your box. And they do add-ons, I believe, for every box, and you get 4 a year. So it's 4 boxes total, $50 a box, and for total for a whole year it is, I think it's $200. I think if you can use a discount code and you can get it discounted, but don't quote me on that. So then you get this paper. I already ripped it open because I looked at this stuff yesterday. I couldn't wait. And then everything is just beautifully placed inside the box. And I'm just gonna go from first thing that grabs my attention and I will share it with you guys. So let's zoom in. Let's get nice and cozy, shall we? Okay, first are these beautiful paired necklaces. I think it's actually one necklace, but this is by the brand Amber Skeets. I'm sorry if I said that wrong. And these are 3A. Double layered coin necklace, and it's on gold colored chains. This retails for $50. So we are going to be adding this up as we go along so we know what our total is. So $50. So let's open this baby up. I do believe this was one of the options I did choose when I customized my box because I always try to get like the best value and also go for things that I like. So these are on the same chain or same hook but different chains. So this is what the necklace looks like. Let's pull a beauty guru thing here. Can you guys see that? Oh, that one's flipped. You have a beautiful gold coin design. I will put this on for you guys so you can see where it lays. The chain is obviously adjustable in length just like any other necklaces. But if I were to keep it where it is, it hits me higher up on the scale. I would say this bottom one is probably like 18 inches and this top one is probably 16. Just guessing off of necklaces I have in the past. But if you had like a lower cut shirt, it's not super low cut, but it's very, very pretty. And just for the purpose of this video, I will leave this on. So moving on to the next item. The next item is something that came in every single box, and this is called the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. And the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon is a cream to bring calm and relaxation while nourishing your skin. This retails for $40. So right now we're at $90. And this on here says a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. So it says use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin while you sleep. So this is a body cream, and I'm guessing it's gonna smell like lavender if it's a relaxation cream. Yes, it smells strongly of lavender, but it might be a really great product. I do usually like lavender scents, but I don't like it when it's like super overwhelming. So I'd have to see how much it lingers on the skin. But from first impressions, I feel like it's kind of strong for me, but I'll still give it a go and try it out. If not, if I don't like it, I'll give it to somebody who does, a friend or a family member. But this is worth $40, so it's a good bang for your buck. Next item, and I believe this is the other one that came with all of them. Don't quote me on that. This is the Purlisse Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polishing Peel. So I like to usually choose skincare options or makeup options with these boxes. Mostly skincare just for the reason that it's a really good value for your box. And I also hate buying skincare because it's so expensive and I'd rather buy it in a box to try it out. So this one, I don't remember if I chose this or not. This one is one that came as every FabFit member gets. This one is also one of those products. So this is infused with extracts of watermelon and lychee and glycolic acid. This polish will give your skin a burst of freshness. So it is a skin smoothing, energizing face polish. So from my idea of what this is, you put this on your skin, you let it stay there for 2 minutes, and then you will rinse it off, I believe, and it should gently exfoliate and brighten your skin. So I'm excited about this. I love Purlisse as a brand. I've tried stuff from them before, and this is the cutest packaging in the world with watermelons on it. Like, who can, like, you literally cannot go wrong. And it's not just the box that's cute, it's like the entire packaging. So this retails for $35. So right now we are at $125 and we have only 3 products in. Okay, so the next thing in here is the Skintinavia, the makeup finishing spray. I've always wanted to try this because this was the makeup spray that started the entire makeup spray like fad. This for some reason is not in the magazine, but I believe it's worth $20, and I'm super excited to try this. It is supposed to help your makeup last all day. It's weightless. The spray is really good. It says just shake well, apply over makeup, spray 2 to 4 times in an X and a T formation. So I will give this a try and give you guys an update in my February favorites video. So with that product, our total so far is at $145. Now moving on to this product. This is the silicone straws, and the silicone straws came for everybody, I want to say. Yes. So this is something that every single member got. These are the Chic and Tonic silicone straws. The set includes 4 silicone straws, a brush cleaner, and a carrying case so you can sip your drinks on the go. Now this was not one of the customizable options. This is just what you get. These are reusable straws, so good for the environment, and it comes with this really cute carrying case so you can bring it with you on the go. It'll easily fit in your bag, and you just bend the straw and put it in here. So that is a really, really cute idea, and this retails for $15. So our total is now at $160. The next item is the Luxe Chrome Detangling Brush. So this comes in a cute little pouch with a girl on the front from Aria Beauty. And this was one of the select members. So only select members get to customize these options in their box. So select members are if you purchase it for the whole year, I believe. Regular members are the ones that pay on the month or on the quarterly basis. So this is the brush. It is a beautiful rose gold chrome brush, and it says perfect for all hair types. The extended bristles offer easy detangling and reduce stress to the hair and scalp. So that's good. So you should be able to use this and it won't like ruin your hair at all. But yeah, rose gold is my absolute favorite. So this is a really pretty brush, and it's actually just pretty enough for a display, but I'll definitely use it because my current hairbrush that I have it's getting old and it's time for it to retire, to be honest. And that retails for $35. So now we are at $195. My last 2 items are skincare, and I definitely chose these. The first is the Murad Resurgence Rapid Collagen Infusion. This retails for $78, so this makes our entire box so far come to $273. This is formulated with collagen amino acids. This treatment visibly minimizes the look of lines and wrinkles. Now, you're probably like, Kristen, you have youthful skin. Why are you stressing about that? Well, let me tell you. I already get a lot of lines here, and it runs in my family to get a lot of wrinkles in my forehead, so I like to prevent that as much as possible. Also, these lines around my nose are starting to become more visible right where my laugh lines are, and any lines that I have under here, I like to just make sure that it does not get worse. So I always like to be proactive with my skincare, and that is why I wanted to try this out. It has amazing reviews online, and that is what makes me want to try it. So I love skincare. I told you guys that this is what I buy, or this is not what I buy. This is what I get this box for, because you can get $78 plus the next item that I'm going to show you for $50. You get 2 amazing skincare products plus everything else in the box for literally a quarter, not even, of the price of the total box. It's just mind-blowing to me. But I'm excited to try this, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Okay, last item, ladies and gentlemen, and this is the brand that I've always wanted to try. So this is the Elemis Peptide 4 Night Recovery Cream Oil. It is a restoring night cream oil for all skin types. It has perilla seed, peptide 4, night scented stock, hydrates, restores, and replenishes. This retails for $59. So our total box comes to $332. Great, great, great bang for your buck for this box. $332 and I paid $50 for the box, so I highly recommend. Again, I will put my link or my promo code down in the description box, so you guys are welcome to save $10 off of your first order from FabFitFun. I do not get paid, it's just a coupon code. I have a link. I think every single FabFitFun member gets a link, so yeah. But I thought you guys would like to try it out because I've been obsessed. So anyway, what is this great for? Let me tell you. This is apply this unique cream oil before bed to wake up with a more nourished, revitalized complexion. So that is the entire video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys decide to try out FabFitFun. I was on the fence for so long, and I was watching YouTubers always do their boxes, and I was like, oh, that is so pretty, or that is so awesome, or that is such a good deal. So I really wanted to try it, and I am absolutely in love, and I don't think I'll be able to give it up anytime soon. I am hooked for life. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys have any questions or comments, as always, please leave them down in the comments down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you all so much, and have a good one. Bye, guys.